If I say at the sound of my voice, you shout, Satan be exposed. Are you ready? At the sound of my voice. Listen. No devil is permitted to hide. All the hiding spirit. One day we were praying, interceding, pushing for something. Then we saw the principal spirit that causes it. He went under something that looked like an ice and hid under it. So all the assault we are sending was coming on the ice, searching for the spirit. The sword was hanging. The sword of judgment was hanging, waiting for space to open so that he can strike. But as long as that ice was there, we now found out that Satan can hide. Every spiritual bunker that Satan is hiding under, that demons are hiding under, every mystery with which they hide and wait out the onslaught that you are sending, only to come out again. Tonight they are exposed. Listen to me. The scripture said, at the sound of my voice, ye shall come out of your hiding places. Every demon, sickness, affliction, oppression, hiding in trees, hiding in buildings, hiding in tokens, hiding in clothes, hiding anywhere, hiding around your body, hiding in your building, hiding in the land, in the air, in the water. At the sound of your voice, what will happen? They will be exposed, they will come out.